Hello and welcome, Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, wanting to share with you today this recently arrived Nissan X-Trail large SUV, available here in a much sought after Tekna trim and powered by a 1.6 dCi engine with 4-wheel drive as well as grey metallic paint. Standout features will include the benefit of automatic projection headlights with LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side these sleek looking 19-inch alloy wheels will also stand out. The story is no different with rear taillights on offer, and for extra convenience there's keyless entry and start along with a power operated tailgate, which will reveal a more than practical load area for all your shopping needs as well as luggage. Passengers can also enjoy full black leather upholstery that not only looks great but is very durable, as well as two Isofix chat anchor points, including a tilt and sliding pan roof. In the front, decorative door and dash inserts are on offer, as well as upgraded front seats offering additional comfort, with the driver's seat being fully electrically adjustable. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which operates the color TFT screen up ahead, featuring digital speedometer, sat-nav guidance, road sign recognition camera, DAB digital radio, as well as a number of active safety systems to protect you and your occupants. Best of all, parking sensors will also display directly ahead of you, but in the front and center cabin you also enjoy this 7-inch touchscreen with physical shortcut buttons on either side, operating music as well as Bluetooth, CD player and auxiliary inputs, and built-in sat-nav to ensure you never ever get lost when traveling on the unfamiliar roads. Various other vehicle info and apps are on offer at all times, and to help you park, you'll be pleased to know there is an area view 360-degree surround camera offering visibility from every angle. Whatever the weather, easy to use 2-zone climate control system is available for the coming summer months with a USB inputs, as well as the car benefits from a rotary dial for the 4-wheel drive system, as well as heated front seats with 2-stage operation. Overhead you'll find an auto-dimming rearview mirror and easy controls that operate the electric sunshade blind and the sliding panoramic roof.